month of July. We'll also have a marginal risk for severe storms across the area, more so in the way of heavy excessive rainfall and also the chance to have some gustier winds. The storm index, as you take a look at it, tornadic activity not on the map here. Winds, moderate, hail on the lower side, and the flooding potential is there because of these storms that will come in. It's just such a soupy environment. The rain that we'll have, it's going to bring in a lot of it. Now, as we look at our evening, for now, we're dry, although soupy. It is a warm and humid evening across western New York. Now, we have this batch that's coming through southern Ontario, and then we'll passing Long Point. As it encounters the cooler air over the lake, it'll likely break up a little bit and likely see this come into Chautauqua 6:37 or so, about 6:30. There is still, you can see some scattered areas of showers and thunderstorms that are just to the north or upstream. That all will be making its way across western New York as we head throughout our night tonight. So we're going to deal with rain. It's as it gets here, and then when will it clear out as we go into the middle of the week. But we're also still looking at some wildfire smoke in the upper atmosphere. That's what you can see out there, along with the hazy, humid conditions. 78 degrees, southwest winds about 15 miles an hour. 82 in Batavia, 86 in Albion. A little bit cooler across the southern tier, milder, we'll say, in the 70s. Hourly forecast will stay close to the 70-degree mark for much of the night. Areas of showers and thunderstorms coming through, some heavy rain at times, and winds will be out of the south about 10 miles an hour. Not a big gusty wind night, but within some of these cells we could have some higher wind gusts. Temperatures dropping up or down to about 68 degrees. Looking at our forecast into the evening, very light in nature with what's out there now. The heavier rain again near Long Point. As we approach 11 o'clock, scattered showers and thunderstorms, some heavier rain will start to approach, and we'll continue with the shot of heavy rain and gusty thunderstorms into our Tuesday morning, and by Tuesday afternoon it dries out some. We still have some areas of scattered storms that we'll contend with, but it will be cooler and getting cooler from there. Temperatures in the mid-70s for our Tuesday. We'll have that rain early, and then we'll be scattered a bit more into the evening. Winds out of the northwest, you'll likely notice them because temps will drop even further into the day on Wednesday, and we could still have the potential of heavier rainfall, excessive rainfall between Tuesday and Wednesday, which means we could have some flooding concerns. And it will be cooler with temps close to 70 degrees. There'll be some spots that are in the 60s as well. By Thursday, we're right around the 77-degree mark. We're back into the 80s as we get closer to the weekend, with scattered thunderstorms arriving into Sunday with highs right near